I'm living nearby the Baltic Sea, and I'm really thankful for that. Because I think the sea is a good place to think, and the sounds of the oceans are very soothing to me. Oh, I love to go for a walk here with my dog after a stressful day, and it's a good way for me to relax after work. And of course, my dog loves to go for the walks as well. I also found some other herbs today. I found Achillea, also called yarrow, and her healing effect is varied. And also I found tansy. Tansy was previously used for worm diseases, but the tansy was a strong poison and the internal use of it is not safe. Today I wanted to collect some roses to make chains out of it. The species of this rose is called Rosa rugosa. This rose is very special because it can tolerate salt water spray and it has a very unique smell. The flowers are mostly dark pink to white, and it also has these little rose hips, and you can make jam out of it, or tea, or syrups, but you can also eat them raw. Making rose changes is a very nice activity to do in the summer. I already used to do this as a child together with my mom because it's not hard to make it and the results are just beautiful. Usually we're getting the beads from secondhand stores because we're buying the jewelry and cutting them afterwards. And I think it's a much more cheaper way to get beads as buying them in regular stores.